I am Anand.
I am Sanidhi Bhatt.
I am Pavana.
From Kumta, Karnataka.
I am an MCA graduate from NMIT Nitti.
I am third year of mechanical engineering student.
And I am studying electronics and communication third year.
I was in my second year of MCA, and one day one of my friends have invited me to this CIIPDC center, right? So where the Innovation Expo happened.
When I entered CIIPDC Makerspace in my first year of engineering, so first I saw a lot of people already working on the technologies.
And the first day I just saw the 3D printers which has been in this center, right?
Here I was initiated with different kind of technologies like
Microcontroller,
CNC machine building, app development,
IoT as well. And also I started building the CNC machine building. So I got completed all of this training, and
I saw one of our young innovator, she is from BBA background. So she has worked on IoT, microcontroller and robotics. So she have done her own calculator. So that inspired me, right? So coming from BBA background, if she can do those projects, right? So I wanted to take a next step towards robotics.
and that's where one day the CIPDC coordinator gave us a thought saying that what if we could build the CI robot in the center. And that is something what we thought, so saying that, so we've learned various different technologies, what if we could build something of our own.
we started the CI Robo by forming the team, and we got the team selected, and right now we got all the resources, and we researched on the CI Robo which are there, similar kind of the robot. Then we got all the resources to be ready, right?
And the second step, we designed it and we started printing it in our 3D printers in the CIPDC Makerspace. And once we got it printed, so we started post-processing them and we started painting them. We all got the outer casing of the robot ready.
And we just started by assembling it. So all the leg got assembled, and hand got prepared, and chest got prepared of our robot. Then finally we just assembled all the parts, right? So then the assembly of the parts is done. So right now Robo which is looking so good, and we just started connecting that all the motors, because we have used more than 18 plus motors, right? So then we connected all the motors to the board.
After completing all the processes, we were able to successfully complete the robot. And the first thing what we did was turning it on, and once we turned it on, so it started moving its hands and legs, and that was a time where we were super duper happy and we were dancing out of joy. And we got to know that, so whatever the efforts and time what we have put on that, so it was worth it. And getting to know that it was featured in news, so it was a dream come true moment for me, where getting something into news is such a big thing for all of us when we start doing projects, right? And at the end of the day, our parents were also happy, saying that we got featured in news and our son is doing something productive in the center. I would like to thank especially the makers community, coaches and mentors, and also CIPDC team for all the support and resources what they have offered us.
Right, so if you are an innovator, right,
Then CIPDC is the best place for you.